Boldt HVAC is an excellent option for AC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota, offering a variety of HVAC solutions like central air conditioning, mini-split systems, and air source heat pumps. Their dedication to energy efficiency, including support for rebate programs and 24/7 emergency service, makes them a reliable choice with a solid reputation in the Twin Cities area. Are you looking for a AC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. What are the benefits of installing a new AC system in Dakota County? Upgrading to a new AC system in Dakota County enhances cooling efficiency and energy savings. Modern units like central air conditioning, mini-split systems, and air source heat pumps improve climate control, reduce utility costs, and offer advanced technology for better air quality and comfort. How do I choose the right type of air conditioning system for my home? Choosing the right AC system depends on your home's size, layout, and insulation. Central air conditioning suits whole home cooling, mini-split systems are good for homes without ductwork, and air source heat pumps offer both heating and cooling. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at the following locations in Minnesota: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Dakota County, Minnesota? We are located at 20721 Holyoke Avenue, 1st floor. Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Lakeville-MN.